Senior Health. Uncover the truth about bone broth for joint health. Bone and joint problems are some of the most common health challenges seniors face. With age, bones become thinner, joints lose lubrication, cartilage wears down, and inflammation increases. Many seniors experience knee pain, stiffness, back pain, difficulty walking, or trouble climbing stairs. Because of this, people often search for natural remedies that can support joint health. One of the most popular and highly talked about remedies is bone broth. But is bone broth really as powerful as people claim? Does it truly help with joint pain and bone strength? Or is it just another health trend? Today, let's uncover the truth about bone broth for joint health, especially for seniors. Let's start by understanding what bone broth actually is. Bone broth is a nutrient-rich liquid made by slow-cooking animal bones and connective tissues for several hours. Traditionally, it is made from chicken bones, beef bones, or fish bones. The long cooking process allows nutrients to slowly dissolve into the liquid. This creates a soup that is rich in collagen, gelatin, minerals, and amino acids. Many cultures around the world have used bone broth for centuries as a healing food. It is often recommended for weakness, joint pain, gut health, and recovery from illness. Now, let's understand why people believe bone broth is good for joints. One of the biggest reasons is collagen. Collagen is a natural protein in our body that forms a major part of our skin, bones, cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. It is like the framework that holds the body together. When we are young, our body produces lots of collagen, but after the age of 25 to 30, collagen production slowly declines. By the time we reach 50, 60, and beyond, collagen drops significantly. This leads to weaker skin, wrinkles, joint stiffness, reduced cushioning in joints, and more pain. Bone broth contains collagen, and when collagen is cooked, it turns into gelatin. Many believe that drinking bone broth helps replenish the collagen in joints, making them stronger, smoother, and less painful. That's why bone broth is promoted as a joint healing superfood. But here is the truth. When we drink collagen, the body does not send it straight to the joints like a delivery package. Instead, collagen gets broken down into amino acids during digestion. Then the body decides where to use those amino acids. So, it is not guaranteed that all collagen you drink goes directly to your knees or back. However, research shows that these amino acids may support the body in rebuilding cartilage, improving joint lubrication, and supporting joint tissues over time. So while it is not magic, it can still be helpful. Another reason bone broth is popular is because it contains important minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. These minerals support bone strength. Seniors often lack these nutrients because appetite decreases, digestion weakens, and diet quality changes with age. Bone broth is gentle, easy to digest, and gives nourishment without burdening the stomach. That makes it ideal for seniors who can't eat heavy meals. Bone broth is also known to support inflammation control. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest causes of joint pain and arthritis. The amino acids in bone broth, like glycine and proline, may help reduce inflammation and support healing. This doesn't mean bone broth is a replacement for arthritis medication, but it can support overall joint comfort. Some seniors report less stiffness, easier movement, and better flexibility after including it regularly. There is also another benefit, gut health. Many people don't realize that gut health and joint health are connected. If digestion is poor, nutrients don't get absorbed properly, which weakens bones and tissues. Bone broth is soothing for the stomach, supports gut lining health, and helps with better nutrient absorption. When digestion improves, the whole body benefits, including the joints. Now, let's talk practically. Does bone broth really cure joint pain? The honest answer is no food alone can cure joint pain. Bone broth is not a miracle cure, but it can support joint health, reduce discomfort, and improve mobility when combined with an overall healthy lifestyle. It works best as a supportive food, not as a magic solution. Also, results are not instant. Many seniors expect quick relief, but natural nourishment takes time. Regular use for weeks or months is usually needed before people start noticing improvements. And even then, benefits may vary from person to person depending on age, health condition, diet, and lifestyle. Now let's talk about how seniors can safely include bone broth. The best way is homemade. Boil bones with a little salt, herbs, garlic, ginger, and vegetables like carrots or onions for several hours. Slow cooking extracts more nutrients. Many people use pressure cookers or slow cookers. Bone broth can be taken as a warm soup, used in curries, or added to meals. Usually, 1 cup a day or a few times a week is enough. But like everything, Bone broth also comes with precautions. Seniors with kidney disease must be careful because bone broth may contain minerals like phosphorus that could stress weak kidneys. People with high uric acid or gout should also consult a doctor because bone broth can aggravate their condition. Those with severe heart conditions or sodium restrictions should avoid salty broths. If someone is vegetarian or does not like meat, do not force bone broth. They can get joint support from plant protein, nuts, seeds, lentils, and supplements prescribed by doctors. Another important point, bone broth alone cannot help if your lifestyle is unhealthy. Joint health depends on multiple factors. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial. Extra body weight puts heavy pressure on the knees and hips. Gentle daily movement is important. Lack of physical activity stiffens joints and makes pain worse. Strengthening exercises, stretching, and walking play a huge role. Vitamin D and calcium intake matter. Sleep, hydration, and stress management also support healing. So if someone only drinks bone broth but does not walk, does not exercise, does not maintain diet, and expects miracles, they will be disappointed. True senior wellness comes from a combination of good food, movement, medical care, and positive habits. Now let's answer a common doubt. Is packaged bone broth as good as homemade? Most of the time, no. Many packaged broths contain preservatives, high salt, artificial flavors, and very little real nutrition. Homemade is safer, fresher, more nutritious, and more economical. If you must buy packaged, choose reputable brands with minimal ingredients and low sodium. Another question people often ask is, how long should I drink bone broth? There is no fixed rule. You can make it part of your long-term diet. Just remember balance is key. Don't rely on only one food. Variety keeps the body healthier. And finally, let us talk about mindset and hope. Aging is not about losing strength. It is about adapting wisely. Many seniors believe pain is just part of age, but that is not fully true. With the right care, lifestyle, nutrition, and guidance, life after 60 or 70 can still be active, strong, and joyful. Bone broth can be one helpful tool on that journey. So what is the truth about bone broth? It is not magic, but it is powerful nutrition. It may support joint comfort, gut health, immunity, and overall strength. It works best when used regularly, mindfully, and along with a healthy lifestyle. If you are a senior, ask yourself, am I giving my body the nourishment it deserves? If bone broth suits you, it may become a comforting, healing part of your daily life. If not, there are always other healthy alternatives. Always talk to your doctor if you have medical conditions before making major changes. Listen to your body, respect your health, and remember, every small step toward better nutrition brings you closer to a stronger future. Take care of your bones, take care of your joints, and take care of yourself. Aging gracefully is not about just living longer, it is about living better. Stay strong, stay active, and stay hopeful.